Hi, welcome to St. Teresa Catholic School, home of the Knights. I'm Mary McCrory, the school principal. Thank you for joining us for our Catholic Schools Week open house. Are you ready to tour the school? Let's go. Welcome to our main building. This building houses grades pre-K 3 all the way to grade 4. It was originally built in the 1960s with just one floor, and then the second floor was added on later on. Right now, here we are in our Spanish classroom. Students in grades kindergarten through 8th grade come to Spanish once a week up till the 5th grade, and then twice a week for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Our 7th and 8th grade Spanish class combines together to make a Spanish 1 class for high school credit. This is our 1st grade classroom. 1st grade sets the standard for moving on to our 2nd grade classroom. All of our teachers are state certified, meaning they have state licensure to teach under the state of Florida. At St. Teresa School, we have a VPK program. Our teacher is staff credentialed through the state requirements, and we follow the state standard guidelines for curriculum. Our curriculum is the Frog Street Press curriculum that incorporates a variety of standards across the board. Our program starts at 8 a.m. and concludes at 11:15. For those of you that aren't able to make pickup at 11:15, we have 2 alternate pickups for you. We have a 3:15 pickup, which is our regular school dismissal, or they can stay at our extended care program all the way until 6 o'clock. This is our kindergarten classroom. Kindergarten is the ultimate foundation for the start of the school year. We take the skills that they learned in our VPK program, develop them further, and prepare them for 1st grade along the way. At St. Teresa School, our students in grades kindergarten through 8th grade have the opportunity to experience art. Once a week, students in those grades visit the art room and have exposure to a wide variety of arts, whether it's watercolors or pastels, or even coloring crosses with markers. Anything is open to our students. Now, let's continue on our way. Here at St. Teresa School, we modified our learning environment to accommodate those families who felt the need to keep their students at home. We have both a live in-person learning environment and a live streaming learning environment. Teachers can communicate to students at home via Zoom and a Chromebook. They can even share their screens with the students at home so they're being able to follow along with the lessons. We are blessed at St. Teresa School to have a Title I teacher to assist our students that may need help in reading or math. She can pull students right from the classroom, go into her classroom, and provide them that assistance that they need. Furthermore, we have an on-staff resource person that can also pull students from the classroom, or she'll go into the classroom and provide the support right in the classroom. Now, let's head on over to the gym. This is the St. Teresa Gymnasium. Our students come here for PE class in grades K through 8 twice a week. They participate in a variety of sports such as basketball, football, volleyball, soccer, and sometimes they even do some outreach programs where they jump rope, like the Jump Rope for the Heart dedicated to the Heart Association. We also participate in CYS sports. Our students in grades 4th and up can participate in cross-country, soccer teams, basketball teams, where they compete against other schools within the Diocese of Orlando. You've now entered the Mercy Building, named after our founding Sisters of Mercy. This building houses grades 5 through 8. This is our science lab. Our science lab is just one aspect of our STREAM program. Students here can do experiments using microscopes and balance beams. In fact, we annually participate in the Brevard County Science Fair, where our students do exceptionally well. This is the Bolin Family Learning Center, our newest addition to St. Teresa School. Located within this facility are 3 distinct areas of learning. First, we have our Early Childhood Reading Center, where students in the primary grades can come and listen to their teacher read a book to them, all on these comfy, cozy, wiggly chairs so they can get their energy out. Then we have our Cooperative Learning Center. Students can plug their Chromebooks in to these monitors and work in groups of 6 on one project. When the project is completed, then they can come over here to our 65-inch Clear Touch interactive touch panel and make a presentation to the class. Additionally, teachers, like our 8th grade math class, can come into the lab and teach a class using the touchscreen computer. St. Teresa School is located in Titusville, the very heart of the Space Coast. Engineering jobs on the coast are at a prime right now. Our goal is to teach our students all those skills that they're going to need to accomplish those kinds of jobs, so they stay right here in Titusville. STEM labs and 3D printers are just two things that we use to accomplish that goal. This is Avila Hall, named after our foundress, St. Teresa of Avila. We offer a hot lunch program 5 days a week for our students, or if you choose, you can bring your own lunch. We've now entered St. Teresa Catholic Church. Religion is very important to us at St. Teresa Catholic School, and we have religion class once a week in all of our grades K through 8. We also attend Mass 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks of the month for grades K through 4, and the final 2 weeks of the month for grades 5 through 8. Although we accept students from all faiths, so don't feel that you have to be Catholic to attend St. Teresa Catholic School. This concludes our tour of St. Teresa Catholic School. One thing I didn't mention is security. We take the security and health of your children very seriously. We keep all of our classroom doors locked, our gates are locked, even our buildings are locked. We want to thank you for entrusting the health and safety of your children to us. If you want a tour of your own, please give us a call at the number you see on the screen. I'm looking forward to meeting you.